hello.
Hey guys.
We wanted to show you all of the different things you can do on a sea day on Virgin Voyages.
Absolutely, yes. So you can start your day out on a coffee.
Yeah.
And it's really nice. You chill out and watch people go past. So
Yeah.
watching their safety drills. So that'll be interesting.
Yeah. Obviously you can eat and drink.
Of course.
We have separate videos on that.
Absolutely. Yeah, we said before that we've done it on a Scarlet Lady as well. So they can videos out as well because it's identical shit.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to know about the restaurants and that, have a look at them.
One of the other things that you can do, and we're about to go and do now, is play games. They've got a whole game section.
They have, yeah, so we're going to have a look at that. There's a game that Emma's been walking past and I won't play that. So.
And nobody would play with me, but now John is here and he has to, so.
We've got a coffee, we're going to have a look. Why not? Let's do it.
Okay, I think John beat me at Jenga last time.
I think we played it. Last time we played Jenga, whether we in Texas, outside that German restaurant, I think. Big one.
Oh yeah, but we didn't finish it.
No, and this is quite big. We normally have a small one.
I'm scared. Okay.
I'm going first.
You can. Another thing you can do is play some of the retro arcade games we've got. Yeah, we just did some racing. I came 39.
I have no idea what I want.
40.
I thought a math. Pop one out. I can't. How's that album?
I don't know. Oh, you came 39 too. Same. And screamed and hollered enough, then you can do that.
You'll definitely have a sore throat when you're on the ship because it's all about the music, it's all about the singing and dancing. But if you haven't had enough, like Emma said, you come here and it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I bet it would be a lot of fun, like if you're on an evening and you've had a lot of cocktails.
Absolutely.
The only problem with that is you have to pre-book.
Yeah, it does get busy, I think. If you're lucky enough to get a slot, you can come and check it out. But yeah, it does get busy.
Yeah.
But yeah, get your name down as soon as you can. If you know you want to do it, then get your name down.
And people have, so,
Yeah.
and I think it's in the morning you have to do it, because the sheet is out for today now, so.
Yeah, we're quite lucky to get it.
Yeah, well, there's nobody here until this evening, so.
No, yeah, so if you want to do it, then don't go to port and then stay on and get it that way. But yeah, a lot of fun, definitely recommend it.
Yeah.
Another thing to do on a sea day is play an epic game of chess. The biggest chess you ever see.
They've got boxing and stuff like that as well.
They have, and basketball and netball and stuff
Yeah.
like that. And I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, we're going to have a game of chess.
Another thing you can come and do on sea day is play basketball.
Absolutely. Or go for a run, right?
Or go for a run. John does that.
I do. Yes. Also, if it's nice and warm on a sea day, you can hire a commander.
Yeah.
They're fairly expensive.
Yeah, I think so. They were
However-
showing it $350 today.
Yes. However, if it's a nice day and there's a lot of you, you can spread the cost out.
Yeah.
It might not be that bad because you do get a credit as well. So.
Yeah.
And a butler.
And a
so
butler.
It's cool.
What's in those
Yeah.
doors?
Hey,
What's in there?
in there. Change rooms.
Oh, I don't think that's for us.
Right. But I mean, if there's a lot of you, we've had a two, and that could be cool and nice summer days like.
Oh my god. Trying to break in, look.
So nothing you can do on a sea day is grab yourself a hot tub, drink of choice and chill out for a while.
Yeah, it'd be lovely on a cold cruise too because the hot tub is lovely and hot.
Absolutely, we would be, yeah.
You can also chill out on your balcony on a sea day. We've just had a little hour out here.
We have.
Chilling out.
Yeah, we should be packing.
My favourite thing to watch is John getting in and out of that hammock.
Yeah, go careful with that though, because your anchor gets caught and you start like hanging.
Yeah.
We've done it a couple of times, and last time as well.
Yeah.
It is comfortable though.
Do you want to show everyone?
What?
No, the hammock.
In a minute.
But yeah, we've just been watching the waves and stuff.
A couple of
nice.
ships about. So peaceful, so nice.
We have to pack and we've been stalling.
We have.
On a sea day, you definitely should catch one of the lectures or
100%.
the talks.
Yeah, it was amazing. You can't always guarantee it's going to be this one, the Virgin Galactic, but there'll be other talks and stuff around, and I'm sure they're all amazing.
They also do, if you're interested, it's not quite up our street, but like health and wellness talks. And things.
Yeah. I have no idea about any of that, but they do loads of that. Yeah.
Yeah, but we just enjoyed the Virgin Galactic one, and it was very good.
It was amazing. So if you are lucky enough to be on board when it happens, I know there's like a Eclipse cruise coming, and they said they'll be on that. So if you're lucky enough to be on one of them, then definitely come to us.
Well, they teased that they would be on it.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah. When you're out on the open water, you can enjoy the casino.
Absolutely. I think the machines are open. The tables will open later.
Yeah.
And if you're a bit like me that have no idea how the table works but want to know, I think they do lessons as well.
They
so
do.
If you're lucky enough, you can get a lesson.
But they also have lessons scheduled on the app.
Do they? Oh, perfect. Yeah. We haven't had time for me to do it this cruise, but I wouldn't do it.
Yeah. You should also check out the shops. They've got a variety of shops we'll have shown you, but we're heading into this one.
Yes. And you only can do it when you're out to open water. So
Yeah.
you normally see a day out to open water, and then you can do all that.
Yeah.
You also can do treatments and tattoos and stuff as well.
Yeah. You could book another cruise while you're on board.
You could, but get early.
Or late.
Or late. Or do it not on a sea day.
Yes.
Because it does get busy, because obviously everyone had an amazing time.
Yeah.
So you want to do another one.
Yeah. They're doing a quiz.
So another thing you can do on a sea day is take part in quizzes. There's so many around, music ones, general knowledge ones, whatever this one is, I think this is.
Risky quiz next.
Okay, there's so many different quizzes you can do.
Yeah, but we're gonna play a game.
Absolutely. Another thing you can do on a sea day is chill out up here.
Yeah. It's a bit wet today.
It's a bit, it's raining, yeah, but when it's sunny, chill out.
Let us know down below in the comments your favourite thing to do on a sea day. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.